rotten. So, that.
Oh, yeah, look.
This is how to strip a 240 door. We are replacing this door with one we've already got because it is rotten. Look at it.
Yeah.
Quite satisfying, isn't it?
It is very satisfying.
So I need these bits today.
We need the window winder mechanism and everything.
We also need the glass out,
and the glass
tinting,
and the door card. If it's
and the door card.
looking a bit
Yeah.
baggy down here, but we'll see if we can save it.
Right, we're going to strip this down as fast as possible, but we're also going to try and explain what we're doing as we're doing it.
The best tool for getting door cards off is one of these poppers. What do you call these?
Trim tool remover. Trim remover. It's not a trim tool remover because that's removing the trim tool. Then we have to remove these bits first, yeah.
Oh yeah, of course we do.
So this is a special little hooky tool. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty cool. It's really good for wiggling in and hooking stuff out without damaging anything.
I used a small screwdriver.
Yeah.
I didn't do any damage.
No, but this is.
I suppose you use what you got.
You use what you got, yeah, but this
Use what
is.
you got.
This is the tool.
And the screwdriver. We're going to move that camera back down onto this, or we're going to leave it up?
I thought maybe if we could position it sort of towards the front a bit. Like that, it would kind of see us.
This cover over the winder handle's got a little clip on the back. You just slide your tool underneath and pop it up, and then you can reveal the screwdriver.
Screw hole.
Screw hole.
The door handle, the door armrest is held on with Phillips. That's the door handle off, putting the armrest off. It's always good to put the bungs back in. It's definitely not good to drop them. The bungs also stop you losing the screws. Stick that in a box.
This has been
Typical. That one just fits right on over the door handle.
also helps if you put all the bits that you're taking off into a box.
The door lock push button just unscrews.
Oh. God, this has been very...
Let me see. Swap.
Swap. Can you pull that off?
I know it's fine, it's broken. I'm going to
Yeah, probably it's broken.
Someone's glued this on or something ridiculous. Camera.
Oh, this is all soft. Oh yeah. Look, it's all ripped out from all the tops down the bottom. It's more than likely there's water got in between here. Like they're all
Poppers, just on poppers, isn't it? And the rubber, the door rubber itself, is just pushed into a metal gutter.
yeah, like a grabby rail, isn't it?
And it's easy, just pull it on out. That's done that.
The door card, you just slide up and off. Let's have a look. Yeah. There's some sort of mushroom growing on that.
Yeah, nice.
Gross.
But that's completely trashed. Look at it. It's just so like fragile.
Completely trashed. Now these poppers, you can slide them out of the door card. Keep this rail on here for now.
Yeah, we don't need
We don't need this at the moment.
door card's off. Right, this plastic sheet is supposed to stop the door card getting wet, but clearly didn't happen. I got that up in one go.
Oh, the other one was very brittle. To get the glass out, you have to bring the window all the way down, which it is. There are 2 clips on the other side of these bars, which are a bit tricky.
They've got these little red washers.
Yeah, there we go. So you just slide that off and push this bar out of the glass. And you get your red washer.
Door handle mechanism is on a screw, which is attached to a little spring. Let's just take that up.
But it's the same door, so do that. And just pop the other. That is the glass released. Release me. Right, now we need to take off the internal rubber. It just falls straight out, doesn't it?
It does, it just goes straight. Doesn't put out much of a fight.
No.
Just upwards from the door.
Woo! Just be careful that corner. This one's a good one, I think.
It's going, it's going.
Is it a good one?
It's a good one.
Okay, now to get the glass out, you need to rotate it and slide it on out. So you're going to make sure the one is connecting itself again. You're going to rotate and slide.
It goes under the door frame at the top.
Now this model has got remote central, no, not remote central locking,
Central
power
locking.
central locking. That's here, attaches up to here. So you need to disconnect that, take this off,
I'll take
and then
this.
start the door locks.
The door locks are on a 5mm Allen key, and they're normally quite tight because they take a bolt, so I have to put quite a bit of effort in. Oh, Jesus.
They're very, very tight, aren't they?
Someone's had a go at this, so it might rain. Oh, I don't know if you want to get a close up of that. Yeah, so you can see here that someone else has had a go at taking this screw out. And it's completely rounded off because they are quite tight. That one's come off loose. I don't think that one's going to come out. It's just going to round. So I'm going to start by hammering it all flat to the top and then hammering the tool in and seeing if we can't crack it off. Maybe even heating it up. Because the last thing we want to do is drill it out. Let's see if we can't save this. Get your Allen key, and you want to tap that into the thing. And make sure you really drive it home. I'm going to use a cooking gas torch.
Yeah, kitchen torch.
And then kitchen torch to apply some heat. to this area, not too much, don't want to melt anything, just want to help move some metal. Let's try turning that. I don't hold out much hope this is going to work. Oh, and it did!
Oh, brilliant.
Yes, that's the opposite of a disaster. What's the opposite of a disaster?
Success!
A win! It's a hot screw doing.
There we go. That is the power lock actuator. Actuator? Is it actuator?
Again, if we do what we did with the E30,
Yeah.
all of that gets replaced. So we can put a brand new system on it. And it'll be remote, which would be really handy.
Okay, next we're going to disconnect this arm from down here and take this out. There's another clip at the back. That pushes in from the sides. Do you want to undo that clip there? I can get a 10mm to take those out. The replacement doors we have with electric windows, we need to put this mechanism in to make it into manual.
Take that off to get the system out. That's a 12, I guess.
13.
13 it is. Lucky for some.
Done them better. Thank you.
Just a bit of channel for the window.
Yeah, I think it also just keep the lock in place. It stops the lock coming out when you try to take it apart.
Does it pop out?
Should do.
That thready bit.
Oh, you got to lift that up. There's like a sprung-loaded catch that goes over the door handle. If you lift it up.
Oh, I see. Okay. Never seen one like that before. Interesting. Show you this bit here. That was hooked around something and you had to lift it up, so lift it over.
Yeah, the actual handle, full handle.
Yeah.
There is the winder mechanism.
That door handle is held on with 2 screws down here. That's not as tight as I thought it'd be.
Just put this in the box.
Yeah.
What am I doing to try to put it back in?
I don't know. Phillips.
And then you need to take this glass scraper off, which you can just pry up. We have got replacement rubbers for these to stop the water getting in. There's a little tab that goes over the end. That'll be the other side bent out as well then. Now the rubber on this one's not actually that bad. It has shrunk a lot though.
Yeah, it's shrunk a lot.
Yeah, shrunk a lot. So we're going to take this off, and we have a new one that we got from Brookhouse to slide in there. But they're so hard and brittle. Oh, look at that! Did you see that? How brittle that was? We shall tackle that another day.
Right, shall I dispose of this door and retrieve the other door?
No. Do we need these bits out for the handles?
We can leave them in the door, we're not getting rid of the door, we can pluck them back out,
Okay.
plus they're in the other doors anyway.
That's it. Oh, they've got all that crystals. Next door!